Good morning, friends. Today is December 6th and it's currently 10:40 a.m. I kind of woke up late this morning, but that's okay because it's the weekend. I decided to film a study vlog today because, to be honest, I've been pretty unproductive the past week, so hopefully this vlog will help me stay more motivated. But today is a pretty busy day. I want to finish taking notes on my last algebra lecture and then start studying for my algebra final, which is in a week and a day, which I'm really nervous about because there's so much to review. I also want to review my notes for my calculus exam this week, and I want to go through my CS assignment to make sure that everything is well documented before I press submit. But I also want to plan out my week on my planner because on Sundays that's what I usually like to do. But that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoy and come and study along with me.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about